Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope everything is fine. If it is not fine, Charlie, inshallah, like everything will be better and relax. Charlie, God day, everything will be fine. But today, I'm back again with another video. As you can see, I'm wearing my gloves and I'm drinking yogurt. I'm going to train, yes. So I have a training session with Doy's Fitness and I don't know how it's going to go like, but I'm hoping for the best. But first, let me drink my yogurt and meet Doy's Fitness out there and let's see how my training session goes. So this video is basically just few clips from the training session. The main video will be on his channel. Is on his channel. Go and watch it. Go and watch me break that fat. Am I breaking fat? No. Watch me do some cardio exercises and what, maybe squats, maybe like anything for me to get nice body, anything for me to look nice, pink, beautiful. Why not? Okay, so yes, see you guys. Like, let's go get that body. First, let me drink my yogurt. It's done. So first, wait, don't forget to subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you. Let's go. Hey, what is up? Today, look at us, okay?
Hey.
Let me tie my hair up.
Sure, of course we'll be jumping then. You know? Let's go. So first off, we'll go for kicks. Then she follows through, okay? In 3, alright? So watch and watch. Basic kick, okay? No stress, alright? Okay? Let's go. Nice. Okay, so she's already just joining at home, alright? Let's go. Come on. Yes. Twist. Add the twist to it. Yes. Hey. Come on. Let's go. Yes. Do this. Get out. Are you tired already? Hey, come on, no, don't be like that. Let's go. Yes. What? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Keep going. Uh-huh. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm training you.
She's giving some, you know. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. What's up, people? Hey. Okay, so we go for basic hops. Just hop it. Okay, so join and let's go. Yes. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. Jab it. She's going faster than me now. Walk it out. Hey, come on. Walk it. Great. So take some.
Now water says never give up. Why am I giving up? Sita kata tama. Sita kata tama. I'm not giving up. Sita kata.
Wait.
Sita kata.
Sita kata.
So together.
Okay, sita kata.
Sita kata.
Sita kata.
Tama.
Tama. Okay, sita kata tama. Ahua, let's go.
Hatuta katatama.
You've changed it again.
So hatu is us, C is me.
Okay.
I negation.
Who there?
So sita katatama.
There.
Hatuta kata. Say hatuta katatama.
Yeah, no anywhere.
No, so you have to eat ugali. You know ugali. I'll prepare some for you. It's some food eaten in the Eastern Africa. It's like bangkung.
Okay.
But it's made from corn flour, sometimes cassava flour. It's like bangkung. It looks like bangkung.
Okay.
But it's called ugali.
It's very nice, right?
It's like bangkung. Anything bangkulicious, kinkelicious, I'm in.
You're going for it, right? So it's pepper or soup?
Can
or
you do pepper? Can you do stew? It depends on your preference.
Okay, so what are you giving me?
I'll give you ugali na mboga. Mboga is vegetable. Yes, so that it will balance.
So this is
the
a
diet.
vegetable dance, okay?
Yeah, I don't do.
Right.
You guys don't know how to dance.
My
Like
mind day.
him.
We dey go chop. We go still we go finish up.
You're not giving up.
We go shop. You guys. Okay. Let's go. Nice. Okay. So we're going for nickel now, okay? Watch and follow through, okay? Are we good? 3, 2, ready, let's go. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Everybody, do this. Yes, work it out. Malaika, work it out. Hey guys, if you made it this far, we love you so much.
We
Thanks.
love you all. Like we
She
love you.
loves, like she loves you, okay? Alright, if you're new, do the needful, subscribe, turn up the screen. I'm tired.
Turn on
We are-
post notification.
we are-
Like and share
We are-
this video.
Why did so well? Like, I wasn't expecting that energy.
I'm not eating my cake yet, that's why. My cake is beautiful. You are amazing.
Hey, after this good job, thinking of it, you get to us.
My favorite food is cake. I don't like rice. Cake and bangkok, so choose one. The corn or the maize.
The corner what?
The maize. I remember they told me that like
You open this way.
they don't really open big, eh?
Yeah.
Then you do as if you're sitting on a chair.
Kinda. You need to lean forward a bit with a straight back.
Is it okay?
No, straight back. Straight. Wait, hold up. Push your brain back. Stop doing this.
What's up?
No,
So
keep
wait.
a straight back this way
Okay.
and just do this.
Okay, look at this.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Okay, not.
Look at this, so.
Hey.
Look at this. I'm not your mate now.
You feel like a human. You feel like a human now.
I'm not a human being. I see myself to be a boy.
I was so tired. I was like, turn on post notification. The notification wasn't coming.
Now you can see we are all tired, right?
Yeah. Are you sure? Let's go for extra 5 minutes.
We'll go. Relax.
The way you even mentioned that we'll go.
Then we have to wait more. My brother papa, je suis fatigué. Is it fatigué or fatigue? Fatigué.
Yeah.
Je suis fatigué. The way is not coming.
That is them.
Hey.
Hey.
You guys,
Okay.
I'm tired now. See ya.